Welcome to this GoPower how-to video showing the steps to connect one 100Ah Advanced Lithium Battery with the required cables needed to use the battery with the GoPower PowerTrak Screen. Step 1. Remove the water caps on the battery. Step 2. Connect a battery end cap terminating resistor to the port on the battery, as shown. Note: twist the cap slightly until you hear a click. Then proceed to tighten. Do not force the connector in. Forcing the resistor in will result in irreparable damage. Step 3. Connect the communication cap of the PowerTrak communication cable to the second port of the battery closest to the LED button, as shown. Step 4. Connect the black ring of the PowerTrak communication cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Followed by the red ring to the positive terminal on the battery, as shown. Step 5. Grab the 25-foot wire and connect one end of it to the white clip of the PowerTrak communication cable connected to the battery and the other end to the cable that will connect to the PowerTrak screen. Finally, clip the other end of the PowerTrak screen cable into the back of the PowerTrak screen. Step 6. With a pin, power on the battery by pressing the LED button on the battery for approximately 3 seconds. You should then see the PowerTrak screen turn on. At this point, you can set up your battery. For more information, visit gopowersolar.com.